Okay, so guys, I did a lot. So I built this big bridge so I could fight Queen Slime, and I also got these armor by the turtles, and I built these. Okay, wait. These two houses so they both can be there. Okay, why this happening? And I also got the jungle crystal thing so I could teleport back to my house and then there. Got a big arena, but over here to the side of it, I would think about like making the vault summon there, but I couldn't find any of it like around the jungle because well, actually, I'm going to be honest here. I've been playing for 3 hours. Oh, wait. No, wait, that's a vault right. Oh, crap. That was the vault right there, but I accidentally summoned Queen Slime. Oh my god. No. Okay. So, guys, I might be dead. But don't worry. I think I can do this. Didn't even mean to do it. There you are. I wanted a rematch. A real rematch. Why can't I aimbot you? Why can't I aimbot you? Okay, thank you for letting me aimbot you now. I'm not going nearby that slime. Just throwing gel at me, and I do not like it. I wasn't even ready. Oh my god! Is that the minions or something? Oh. Oh, it turned off my thing. Okay, whatever. I'll just do this. You're flying. This music sounds so strange. Hat. Got you that time. Nope. Guys, I actually might defeat it. Nope. I'm out. Okay. Alright. Go ahead and use my potion straight away, actually. Oh my god, look how much enemies are nearby me. Oh my god, I did it! Okay, now I shall run. Okay. Stop throwing gel at me. Probably should use my normal bullets now. Okay. All of that was just on accident, but I guess it's okay. I live. Okay, now go back. Okay. Alright, the party was on. Okay. I think I missed the party. I like this. I like this. Do I need like the full armor set? I don't know. Wait. I'm okay with this. No. This is useless to me. I'll keep some of it though. I'll put it somewhere. I'll put it. Actually, I'll go ahead and put it in here. But the other thing is going here. Okay. Okay. So I'll just go back. Why do I keep on getting that? Why I can't fight. I can't fight it yet. I need to get the potions. Only got 2 dandelions. Not gonna lie, that was kind of perfect. But now I'm gonna need more. And I keep on forgetting to put down this clock down. Okay, now I can go. After I put my coins back. I just don't know, okay? Alright. Pretty sure I placed them down somewhere around this place. They're probably grown after 3 hours. They are not. They are really not. Oh, so all you... Hey, listen. I feel like that's... Wait. I thought I heard that before. Like, hey, listen. Like, I don't know again. Don't know how I got that, but do not care at the same time. Can I do something with this? I am not doing that. The one thing that I wonder, actually, I can use it to find treasure. I have no idea why he led it to my chest, because that is the same chest that I've used to throw some junk in there. Do you not? Okay. Do you not see? Where is it again? That's kind of easy. Just go on my minecart. How I get back? Do not know. Maybe I'll use the minecart. Honestly, why did I just came over here and just destroyed these? Here it is. Invincibility. Right underneath me. Wow. Oh! Hey, stop hitting me. We haven't even got into the arena. Come on, follow me. I said follow me. Silly sucker. Go 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 go. It's right there. It's right there. Yep, nice honey. Alright, you plant. You ready? Because this time, I'm not going easy. Maybe a little bit. Wait, time out. I gotta do something. Perfect. Yep. Okay, I'm ready. Wait, is it following me just like the heads from... Oh, yeah, it is. It is following me like that. Oh my god, I died. I died. I have a big arena. Why did I die? Come back. I didn't even put on my armor. I didn't even put on my armor that was supposed to be put on. I didn't even put on my armor. I can defeat it. I just need the armor on. Why do I always go to battle unprepared? I gotta find some turtles. Trying to go find some turtles. Yep. Just here. Waiting for turtles to attack me. Come on, where are the turtles? Where are the turtles? If fine, I'll just go back and get a fight potion so like they can fight, like come back and like try to kill me. Okay. Back here. But I can't make the battle potion. Why can't I make the battle potion? Oh. But that easy. I literally wait. Probably throw them away. Probably did throw them away. Yeah, I probably threw them away. Oh wow. Did I really threw all of them away? Did I really? Why do I do this to myself? Did I really? No. No. Oh come on. I cannot believe I threw it away. I hear that. I hear you. Go away from me. Go away. You won't be able to catch me. Okay, fine. Fine then. Be like that. Be like that. You cannot kill me. No, you're not. Hello. Going down here. Going down here. Yep, down here. Down here. Yep, okay. Why, hello there. I always have. Okay, going down here. And break that. Okay, over here. No, I want to keep the demon. I want to keep the demon. I know what that's going to be. Yep, okay. Get back here. Oh, dead. There's so much. There's so much souls down here. Why was there so much souls down here? Whoa. I'm okay with sitting right here. Stop trying to shoot me. You're next. Got me 4. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy there. Listen, I don't. Okay. So much souls a night. How much souls do I even got? 10. Wow. Wow. It is about to be 11. Oh, no. It was 11. I'm okay with that, honestly. Oh, wow. Come up here. I'm up here now. What will you do? Okay, okay. Okay. Down here. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, wow. No. That hurt a lot. I can make this. All I need is bones. Okay. All I need is bones. Do not worry. I'll get some bones. I'll put this somewhere. So much banners there. If they come near my house, they are dead. This is exactly what this is right now. Okay. Okay. I can make it. What do I need exactly? What do I need exactly? He really want me to go back over there. Fine, I'll just go back. No big deal. No big deal, yeah. You know, just give me these. I need them anyway so I can craft some potions. Yeah, this is a hole. I changed my mind. Wait, turn it corrupted all over again. I never will break this one. Don't know why I need these. Make two just in case. Can I do something with these, please? Can I do something with these? Can I please do something with them? I am so confused. You making me confused. What do I do with these? No, give me a sec. I'm going to use one of them. I'm going to use one of them in a sec. I have no idea what to do with them. But it seems like you can place this down somewhere, so. There's something that you can craft with? There's something that you can actually craft something with? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is exactly what I needed. Okay. This will forever be a potion thing and a piggy bank. And now I can put all of this in here. But I don't understand what this is. This LP. This LP. I definitely gotta give somebody this. Oh, I forgot to put the doll back in. But that is cool. That is actually real cool. Actually, I'm going to put this bow away. I don't think I need it. I'm not taking this out. This is definitely staying right here. Oh no 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 no. No no no. I'm going to put this inside the jungle. Yes. I put this somewhere. Right here, right here. Alright. Now back with Plantier. Oh my god! It's right there. It's right there. Right underneath me. Well, not right underneath me, kind of. Okay. So basically just like run and gun. Hey, wait. Am I even ready? No, I am obviously not ready. Oh wait, okay. Why did I even brought the nurse? The nurse probably gonna die. Right above me too, huh? Okay, can I just aimbot you? Can I just aimbot you? Thank you. Okay, so don't touch the arms because that would do a lot of damage to you. This IQ plan better work. You gotta be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. What? No. Okay, so is there a way that I can summon the boss without fighting a stupid plant again? I don't want to do this again. I hate this so much. They're really gotta find it again. Oh my god, I hate this. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. No. No, I've been playing this for. No, I've been playing this for 5 hours straight. I am. No. Okay, I might got a plan. I might got a plan. Okay. Wow, I went all the way down there. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to need that. Oh, I heard it. Okay. Where? Where else? Coming in. I'll sleep until nighttime. Sleep till nighttime. Also, I'm going to end the video. Goodbye.